Right now, without you feeling a thing, you are moving at over 1,000 miles per hour. Not in a plane, not in a car. Just standing there, on the surface of a spinning planet, hurtling through space at a speed most jet engines could never match. You never feel it. Everything around you spins in perfect synchrony. The ground, the air, the ocean, your coffee cup. All of it locked together in one massive rotating system. But what if it stopped? Not gradually. What if the Earth, for exactly 1 second, simply stopped spinning? The answer would end almost everything you know. If you are standing near the equator, you are moving eastward at roughly 1,040 miles per hour. Everything around you moves at the same speed. Physics calls this a shared reference frame. You experience it as Tuesday morning. Now imagine that reference frame shatters in 1 second. The surface halts, but everything on it, every person, every ocean, every cubic meter of atmosphere, keeps moving eastward at over 1,000 miles per hour. Newton's first law is non-negotiable. The Earth stopping provides no force to stop the things resting on it. You would become a projectile. Every human being on the surface would be flung eastward at ballistic speed. Not gently, not survivably. Dr. James Zimbelman, a planetary geologist at the Smithsonian Institution, has described Earth's rotational inertia as one of the most underappreciated forces in everyday life. The moment it vanished, you would notice nothing else ever again. The oceans hold 1.335 billion cubic kilometers of water, all of it moving eastward right now. When the surface stops and the water does not, walls of water thousands of feet high surge across every continent. Every fault line on Earth ruptures simultaneously. The atmosphere follows. The lower atmosphere rotates with the planet. The moment the surface stops, the air continues at supersonic speed. You are not just being thrown, you are being sandblasted by air moving at over 1,000 miles per hour. And then, the spin resumes. The surface re-accelerates. The oceans and atmosphere collide with everything that had begun to settle. The energy released would exceed every nuclear weapon ever built, combined, by several orders of magnitude. All of this from 1 second. Even if you survived, the rotation stopping would affect something you cannot live without. The Earth's magnetic field is generated by liquid iron moving in the outer core, coupled to the planet's rotation. Disrupt the spin, and the magnetic field weakens. Without it, solar wind strips away the atmosphere. Mars lost its magnetic field billions of years ago. It is now a dry, airless rock. 1 second of stopped rotation could send Earth down the same path. The spin is already slowing. Tidal friction from the Moon transfers Earth's rotational energy outward every year. The Moon drifts 3.8 centimeters farther away annually. The day grows longer, increment by invisible increment. Early Earth rotated so fast a day lasted only 6 hours. That speed helped generate the atmospheric chemistry that allowed life to begin. Your existence is partly a consequence of how fast this planet once spun. Your sleep cycle, your hormones, your core body temperature, all of it is built around a 24-hour rhythm tied to a rotation you cannot feel. You were made for a spinning planet. Your biology assumes it. Right now, without you feeling a thing, you are moving at over 1,000 miles per hour. And the only reason you are alive to not feel it is because this planet has been spinning at precisely this speed for long enough to build an ocean, grow a nervous system, and produce something capable of wondering what would happen if it all just stopped.